Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best finishing nails is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in achieving a professional, seamless finish on your woodworking and trim projects, providing the subtle strength needed to secure delicate moldings, intricate paneling, and decorative elements without leaving unsightly marks, making the right choice essential for both durability and aesthetic appeal in your home improvement endeavors. Number 5. Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit. Introducing a versatile solution for all your hanging and repair needs. This comprehensive kit provides everything you require for various projects around your home or workshop. Inside, you'll find a generous supply of 600 nails, thoughtfully organized into 4 different sizes. This ensures you always have the right fastener for any task, from delicate picture hanging to robust woodworking. Crafted for superior performance, these nails are designed to resist bending during use. They are sturdy, straight, and sharp, making every hammering task effortless and delivering consistently satisfying results. The set comes with a very handy kit, allowing you to easily separate them by size. This smart organization makes your job much simpler, saving you time and frustration. Whether you're tackling general repairs, intricate woodworking, or hanging pictures, these nails are your ideal companion. They are suitable for drywall, wood, and many other materials. What we like. If you're a DIY enthusiast tackling various small projects, this kit is perfect. Its assortment of sizes and organized packaging makes it incredibly convenient for general repairs and woodworking. You'll appreciate not having to search for the right nail, saving you time and effort on every task. What people say. Number 4. Paslode 650231 16-gauge galvanized finishing nails. These nails are galvanized to resist superior corrosion. This ensures they maintain their integrity even when placed in trimming woods. They feature a chisel point design. This helps reduce wood splitting, especially in expensive wood trims, making your work more efficient. The precision of their strip collation significantly reduces nailer jams and misfires. This prevents frustrating downtime on your projects. Being a stronger and stiffer 16-gauge nail, they ensure consistent drivability. You can rely on them for reliable performance every time. Their smaller 16-gauge hole is ideal for reducing visibility in finish work. The small head allows for perfect countersinking, ensuring a clean look. What we like. For professionals who demand consistent performance and durability, these nails are an excellent choice. Their galvanized coating ensures superior corrosion resistance, while the chisel point minimizes wood splitting, especially in expensive trims. If you're looking to reduce downtime and achieve a flawless finish with every drive, this option will keep your projects moving smoothly. What people say. No positive product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted from the content. Number 3. Simpson Strong Tie S4 FN1 Finishing Nail. Discover the Simpson Strong Tie S4 FN1 Finishing Nail, engineered for precision and durability. This fastener is designed to provide a clean and secure finish for your projects. It features a brad head, specifically designed for a less visible appearance once installed. This ensures your finished work maintains a smooth and professional look. With its smooth shank and diamond point, driving it is remarkably easy. This design allows for quick and efficient installation, saving you time and effort. Crafted from Type 304 stainless steel, it offers high-level corrosion resistance. This makes it a reliable choice for applications where exposure to moisture or harsh conditions is a concern. Measuring 1 to 1.2 inches in length and a 4D penny size, it's perfectly suited for a variety of finishing tasks. These precise dimensions ensure it meets the specific requirements of your project. What we like. When the appearance of your finished work is paramount and you need extreme durability, this product stands out. Its brad head ensures a less visible finish, and the Type 304 stainless steel offers a high level of corrosion resistance, even in demanding environments. If you're working on outdoor projects or in areas prone to moisture where aesthetics are crucial, this is the nail you need for lasting beauty. What people say. Number 2. DEWALT 16GA Finish Nails, DCS 16150. Introducing the DEWALT 16GA Finish Nails, model DCS 16150. These are essential for your finishing projects, ensuring a professional look every time. Each nail measures 1 to 1.2 inches, ideal for various applications. You get a generous 2,000 pack, so you're well stocked for extensive work. These are high-quality galvanized nails, offering superior corrosion resistance. They come with a glossy exclusive paper finish, ensuring smooth feeding and reliable performance. They are specifically designed for seamless use with several DEWALT nailers. Compatible models include the DC618KA, DC619KA, DC614KA, and DC615KA. The package is compact, measuring approximately 4.1 by 3.3 by 1.9 inches. It weighs around 3.15 pounds, making it easy to transport to your job site. What we like. If you're already invested in the DEWALT ecosystem, these nails offer seamless compatibility and reliable performance. They are specifically designed to work with your DEWALT nailers, ensuring optimal feeding and driving. For those who value brand consistency and dependable results with their existing tools, this pack provides the perfect match. What people say. Number 1. Freeman 18-gauge brad nails 1 to 1.2 inch BN 18-15. Each box contains 1018-gauge, 1 to 1.2 inch glue-collated brad nails. They are engineered for precision, performance, and lasting durability. These are perfect for various construction jobs, both indoors and in covered outdoor areas. They excel in tasks like installing thicker trim, molding, and baseboards. Crafted from electro-galvanized steel, they offer excellent resistance against rust and corrosion. This ensures they are built to last in all your indoor and covered outdoor projects. Their glue-collated design ensures consistently smooth feeding into your nailer. This feature significantly boosts productivity and helps achieve professional results for all your woodworking endeavors. These brad nails are compatible with most 18-gauge brad nailers on the market. They work seamlessly with various models, including Freeman's own line, ensuring broad usability. What we like. This option is ideal for a wide range of interior and covered exterior trim work, offering great versatility. The electro-galvanized steel provides excellent rust and corrosion resistance, while the glue collation ensures smooth feeding and professional results. If you need a reliable, all-around brad nail that works with most 18-gauge nailers for various molding and baseboard projects, this is a solid choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.